Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. Sorry. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Satvik.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Okay. Let everyone come and join. Can we have cameras on for everyone?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. तुमसे कहा था कि तुमने जाना है। Fine. I think today we have to do question answers class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yesterday I was not able to do exercises.
But we did not start with the exercises. We will start today, beta.
Okay.
Right?
Ma'am, you said that we will do flowcharts today.
Beta, actually the problem is today Zoom is creating some problem. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So, you want to do flowcharts? Though I wanted to do flowchart, but the problem is that this Zoom is creating a lot of problem and it has taken my half the head, half the brain part. But thinking capacity has also gone now. Struggling with this Zoom app. It is such a big fuss, no? But when things are not...
Sometimes Zoom make us angry.
Exactly. They make us angry and, you know, we don't know whom to shout at. The problem is that.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't
Ma'am,
it?
we can't shout at Zoom because he will not give us any kind of
Exactly. There will be no response. There will be no response from Zoom. Zoom will silently listening to what we are saying, to our screaming, to our shouting, to our, you know.
He can only say that thing to people.
Zoom is obedient.
Yes. Zoom is very obedient. Silently he, you know, obeys. He listens to everything without reciprocating to the for the sake, right?
Without even debating with us like siblings.
Without
he just
arguing.
listen.
Exactly. Without arguing.
Listen.
Yes. Just only the listening part is done.
Listen.
Yes. Only the listening part. Only the listening part is done.
Ma'am, listening part is done.
Right.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, reading part is left. Reading part.
Yes.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bacha. Good afternoon, beta. It is, you know, it is such a nice thing to have you people in the class. I really love teaching you people.
Ma'am, I think this is arrangement. How are you, ma'am? Yes,
No,
this is arrangement.
This is not an arrangement
This is
period.
not arrangement period. No, ma'am.
This is my
Ma'am,
regular.
this is a combined class. Sorry.
This is my
Ma'am,
regular.
this is a combined class.
This is a
No,
combined.
ma'am.
We have a combined class only every day. Every time.
We have a combined class.
Yes, every time.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we decided that.
How are you, ma'am? I am perfectly all right, Bacha.
In SSC period, we have a combined class.
Fine. I think today.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Today nobody has to wait outside.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Bachi.
Ma'am, due to network problem, I joined well now.
No, it is fine. It is fine. It is fine. I think today there is no sitting room for you people, right?
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Directly you are coming. Yes. No, directly you are coming in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to eat?
Yes, ma'am. There is no white that written in this. There is no.
But it was just like connecting for me, so it took
Yes,
a long
ma'am.
time.
Me also. Actually, when I'm
Yes, ma'am, me
disconnected,
also.
that is why it is connecting.
I'm
Ma'am, me
Error code.
4.
And when
Exactly.
come error code equals 5.
Today I think many
Can
of you. Today many of you. Yes.
hence
Ma'am,
it
I
can be
can't.
said that Zoom bugs.
Zoom bugs.
Yes.
Zoom bug.
Bug means that bugs.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am,
Got
I
it.
can't
That.
see anyone. Ma'am,
You know.
all are
Got it.
black screen from me.
Yes,
You
ma'am,
guys-
there are so many
You
bugs
guys
in Zoom.
listening to everyone, silently observing everyone, what they are saying.
Silently observing everyone.
Yes,
Hearing
ma'am.
with
Ma'am,
this
Zoom is bad app.
ear. Going
Like
with
room.
this ear. Listen to it.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
it is very good.
Who is very
And
good?
when this should be,
Siddharth.
and when this should
Listen,
be done in
Siddharth,
PET
Siddharth
class.
is looking like Hrithik
Today's
Roshan, Siddharth, can you switch on your camera?
Where?
Yes. And you.
And the teacher is left.
Yes.
He was that.
Ma'am, how was your holidays?
How is my what?
Holidays?
Holidays.
I really enjoyed it.
She's
Yesterday also we discussed about the holiday, but today we are not going to. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Fine. I hope you people have drawn the diagram that I shared with you for this chapter.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Let us do one thing. Let us start with the exercises.
I'm still not able to join.
No problems, beta. Today though there are several excuses. No.
Ma'am, again I was disconnected.
I know. No problems.
Ma'am, but not me.
Chaliye. Let us start with the exercises. Dhairya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do I need to mute you all or you all will behave?
Ma'am, we all will behave. I will promise.
Okay. So I am not.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please say to Daksh to speak some
Softly.
slow because
Okay.
I am wearing earphones.
Oh my God.
Ma'am,
Daksh.
please, me also.
Okay, Daksh. Be very soft.
Yes, ma'am.
Softly you talk. Okay, Daksh.
Ma'am, my ear is paining
Can
now.
we have Lakshveer opening the camera? Lakshveer, if you could open the camera, please. Lakshveer.
Ma'am, Naitik Parmar, Siddharth, Kavya, Kanak, and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Lakshveer, open the camera, beta, please.
Ma'am.
Zahra, you want to? Yes.
Ma'am, I would not be able to open my camera, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, my one
Yes,
one has got red.
Beta, I will tell you to when to open your camera. Those who have opened, very good. But there are some students, those who don't respond, those who don't attend the classes. For them,
Yes, ma'am.
that at least I see them. No, when we meet in school, how will I recognize you? See, look at
When you...
scenes. Somebody has put Hrithik Roshan's photo. Somebody has put some animation, right? I won't be able to recognize you this way. No.
Yeah, ma'am, right.
Ma'am,
Right.
ma'am,
Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
ma'am, I put my original photo only.
Yes, Daksh, I know. Okay, can we have Zahra giving answer for the first exercise, MCQ 1, 2, and 3?
Okay, ma'am. The
Yes.
lowest layer of the atmosphere is troposphere. The
Very good.
uppermost layer of the atmosphere is exosphere. The approximate height of the atmosphere is
Zahra, it is approximate.
approximate height of the atmosphere is D option 1600 kilometers.
Very good.
Ma'am.
Wait. Can we have Lakshveer answering fourth one? And camera on,
Ma'am,
Lakshveer.
please repeat.
Wait, Kavya. Lakshveer, fourth one. Lakshveer knows? Okay, Ridhima,
Yes, ma'am.
tell beta for fourth one.
All weather phenomena take place in the troposphere.
All weather phenomena takes place in the troposphere. I am repeating answer for, can you, I am sharing the whiteboard with you and writing the answers over there, right? You can easily write from there.
Thank you, ma'am, for helping.
Krishna sir.
Chaliye. First is option C. I am writing only options, okay?
The chapter, and the chapter was so short that it got over in 2 periods.
No, we started it long time back. Option 1 is C.
Ma'am, option 1 is C.
Right.
Option 1 is C, right? Then option 2.
Option 2, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is B.
Ma'am, B.
I'm exosphere. I'm option B.
Option B is the right answer.
Yes, ma'am.
2B. Ma'am, 2B. 2 is B.
Some problem I am facing.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Ma'am, can I type?
Wait.
Ma'am.
2 is?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 2 is B.
2 is B. B. Option B.
Ma'am, B.
For 3?
Ma'am, 3 is D.
Ma'am, for 3D.
Ma'am, option D.
It is D.
Ma'am, it is D.
Ma'am, D.
And
Ma'am,
for
fourth is A.
fourth,
A.
Fourth is A.
Ma'am, it is A.
for 4, it is
A.
A. Right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am, right. Yes, ma'am, right.
True or false, Punitha?
Thank you, ma'am, for help.
First,
and what we're doing?
we are doing exercises, chapter 4.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, ma'am, I don't know that's why because I'm joining now. There is network problem.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my voice is fine.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Punitha. First, true, false.
Okay, ma'am. Oh, B. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. First, the atmosphere is held around the Earth due to the Earth's gravitational pull. Ma'am, the answer is true.
Yes, it is true. So the answer is, for 1, it is?
Ma'am, true.
Yes. I am simply writing T. Okay?
Ma'am, we don't know.
Then second, can we have Shreyansh Mittal telling the second one?
Yes, sir. Hydrogen gas makes up about 21.
Yes. True or false?
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am,
Michelle.
ma'am, I joined late, ma'am, because there was an error coming.
Okay, fine. No issues. Yes.
Ma'am.
Second is false.
Yes, ma'am, false.
Second is false. And
Ma'am,
what should
could you hear me?
which gas has 21% of share in the air?
Ma'am, oxygen.
Ma'am, oxygen.
Ma'am,
Very
oxygen.
good. So you will write oxygen here.
Instead of hydrogen, we will write oxygen. Ma'am, you have written Foxy.
No. That is false.
Foxy.
Kavya, by mistake, ma'am is written.
No, not by mistake, beta. Second statement is false. After false,
Oxygen.
you will
And
underline.
ma'am is right.
Oxygen.
You will
Oxygen stands for
underline
oxygen.
hydrogen and you will write oxygen.
Instead of oxy. OXY. It is a short form. Oxy.
Right, class?
Yes, ma'am, right.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Then third one. Can we have Kavya telling the answer for third one, reading out the statement and telling the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. In the stratosphere, ma'am, temperature decreases with increasing height. Ma'am, the answer is, ma'am, the temperature decreases with increasing height. Ma'am, the answer is false.
Answer
Ma'am,
is
the
false.
temperature increases.
Yes, it increases. So answer is F.
Increases.
False. Is
Ma'am, it increases height.
Ma'am,
SCS.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Mesosphere at the place of stratosphere also.
I didn't get you. What are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying that ma'am, I think in increasing in the place of increasing.
At mesosphere.
In place of decreasing.
Ma'am, in place of stratosphere.
Ma'am, in place of increasing, we can extending.
No, it is in stratosphere. Temperature increases with the increasing height. ठीक है?
Increasing.
हाँ.
Decreases not.
Increases.
Increases.
Right?
Yes, ma'am, right.
Now coming
Right.
to the fourth one. Can we have Ayushi reading out and telling the answer?
Yes. Electrically charged particles are called iron. Answer is
Ions.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this answer is true.
True. It is true.
Yes, it is.
Right? T. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Simple
Right,
short
class?
form. Yes, ma'am, right.
Okay. Now let us come to C.
Ma'am, can I tell?
ये बेटा आई का कोई नाम भी तो होगा, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा आई कौन है?
Prapti.
प्राप्ति. Yes, प्राप्ति कटियार. बताओ. Read out. Blank.
Fill in the blanks. The blanket of air surrounding the earth is called atmosphere.
Yes, it is atmosphere. ATMOSPHERE. Atmosphere, right?
Yes.
Then
Yes.
we have, what do we have second? Second, can we have Arshia telling?
Ma'am, nitrogen is the main gas present in air, constituting about 78% of it.
Very good. So the answer will be 78. Sorry, 78%. PERCENT. T.
Ma'am, can I tell off?
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask one.
Yes, beta, please ask Punitha.
Ma'am, please, can we write like this also? 1 second then.
Ma'am, can we write with the percentage sign, not writing the percent?
You can
Ma'am,
write, you
this
can
is
make the
correct.
symbol.
Ma'am, like this also we can write.
Symbol.
You can make the symbol also. Let me show it to you. Shift and that percent. This way also you can write. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, we can write.
Yes, we can write what?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one. Can we have Hassan telling the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, third is 8 kilometer. 8 kilometer.
Read out the full statement. Don't be so confused in reading out.
The troposphere extends at a height of about 8 kilometers at the equator.
8 kilometers. 18 kilometers.
Ma'am, 18. Ma'am, 18.
Ma'am,
Yes.
18 kilometers is that right?
Yes, it is 18 kilometers. 18
Okay, ma'am.
AMS.
Ma'am, I think my answer is wrong.
It is 18 kilometers, not 8.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am, I write 18 kilometers, so he
Ma'am,
said
8 kilometers are from, ma'am, from
Ma'am,
poles.
the third answer is 18 kilometers.
Yeah, 8 kilometers it is at poles and 18 is at equator, right?
18 at the equator.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is.
Fine.
It is at the-
Amisha?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, ma'am. The exosphere gradually merges with the interplanetary space.
Yes. What is the correct answer?
Interplanetary.
Interplanetary. Just a second, the cursor is, now it has come down. So it is interplanetary space. Very good. INTER. INTERPLANETARY. NETARY. Interplanetary. Fine. Right? Let us come to the question answers.
Ma'am, question answers.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell of first one?
I का कोई नाम होता है. May I?
Ma'am, Daksh.
You always need to say may I. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes. So
Ma'am,
can we have Satvik? Can we have Satvik telling the answer? Name the 5 layers of the atmosphere.
Okay, the 5 layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.
Yes. In recapitulation, third dotted point which is given, you can write down from there. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Next, what do you understand by the normal lapse rate? Normal lapse rate. It is given on which page? Who will tell this answer? Utkarsh Sharma.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Utkarsh. Utkarsh Sharma.
Ma'am, this answer is given on page number 120, key terms.
Very good. Read out.
No, ma'am.
But the second answer we are talking about.
Ma'am, it is given above key terms also and in key terms also.
Okay, normal lapse rate. The decrease in air temperature at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters increase in height is called normal lapse rate, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you.
We can write from key terms also.
So you can write from the key terms, okay? Yes,
okay, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, which page number?
Page 120, key terms, normal lapse rate. Can we have Neha Gangwar telling the next answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How is the
Tropopause
different from the stratopause?
Yes.
Ma'am, the tropopause is the narrow boundary that separates the stratosphere from the troposphere, whereas stratopause is the narrow boundary that separates mesosphere from the stratosphere.
Very good. Very good. Page number 120, where stratosphere is written, second dot point. The tropopause is a narrow boundary that separates the stratosphere from the troposphere. And page 121, left-hand side, first point, the narrow boundary that separates the mesosphere from the stratosphere is called the stratopause. Right? Got the answer, everyone?
Yes,
ma'am. Please tell the second point again.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 121, left first dotted point. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, can we...
Ma'am, can I tell?
Can we have... बेटा आई का कोई नाम होता है, हमने अभी भी बोला था. सार्थक शर्मा. Can we have Sarthak telling the fourth answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ozone layer is a layer around the earth that protects the earth from harmful rays of the sun.
Beta, harmful ultraviolet rays. Okay, Sarthak?
Ma'am, this is the answer is ozone protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun.
Yes, this
from
answer.
The harmful ultraviolet.
Yes, this answer is given on page 121, right-hand side, where you have the significance of the atmosphere, the fourth dotted point. Ozone protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Right? Got it? Everybody?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is answer 3?
Now, on page 1.
Answer 3.
Page 120. Second point. And mesosphere.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer? Ma'am, 5. I am Daksh.
Okay, Daksh
And
will
what
tell.
about mesosphere? And what
Daksh will
about
tell the fifth
mesosphere?
answer. Yes, Daksh, tell.
Which layer of the atmosphere makes radio communication possible? This answer is given on page number 121, left hand side. Thermosphere is the layer of the atmosphere that makes the radio communication possible.
Very good. The thermosphere layer of the atmosphere makes the radio communication possible. Thank you, Daksh. Very good. All have done five answers. All have done.
Ma'am, where is the fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा फिफ्थ वन अभी बताया आपको दक्ष ने कितने अच्छे से बोला कि पेज नंबर 121.
Ma'am, left hand side thermosphere. Ma'am, but ma'am, where in the thermosphere?
हाँ.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am, but
answer
where
is
in
just
the
thermosphere. We have to add some lines.
You just write. See from the question.
We just have to write the thermosphere. Otherwise, the answer is in.
Answer is from the question itself. Only thermosphere you have to add.
What makes radio composition
In place
possible?
of which you will write thermosphere layer of the atmosphere.
Thermosphere layer of the.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, got it.
Very good. And please repeat the fourth one.
Fourth
one
is on
showing.
page 21. Significance of atmosphere. Right hand side. Fourth point.
Ma'am, I am showing.
Try to be little attentive. Yes. Can we have?
New question number.
So can we have Kibla telling the next answer? E part. Answer the following questions in 50 to 70 words. Kibla.
Ma'am, first question.
Yes, first question. Page. Sorry, E part. First question.
Yes.
Ma'am, with the help of a diagram, describe the composition of the atmosphere.
Yes.
Ma'am, the diagram is given in page number 120, layers of the atmosphere.
Yes, diagram is there, but you will draw the diagram that I gave you, okay?
Ma'am,
can I resend
Okay,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, she have to only tell the answer.
No, you have to draw the diagram and you have to write the points also. I am telling you.
Yes, ma'am.
You will
tell the points.
the layers of the atmosphere. Start from page 119.
Ma'am.
Page 1. Please open page number 119 of your book.
Okay, ma'am.
Opened?
Yes, ma'am. Open.
Right hand side.
Ma'am.
Right
Ma'am, this full paragraph.
Beta
Ma'am,
Daksh. Above troposphere, there is a paragraph.
Got it, ma'am. Got it.
The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature, and other properties. Then come to next part. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. These layers vary in thickness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Got it?
Ma'am, please repeat.
And this whole paragraph.
The first
from
three
surface
lines.
of the earth. We have to cut
First
this
3
line.
lines. Got it?
Ma'am, we have to write the
answer again.
Okay.
Ma'am, please.
Kavya, this. Ma'am, this only.
No.
Yes.
We have some more. Wait a second. Give me a second. Just a second only. Okay. Now come to troposphere. First point, second point, third point.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Third point.
From starting, ma'am, please.
Beta, all the dotted points that are given except for the normal
point.
point.
Ma'am, from starting.
Yes. First dot, third dot, fourth dot, fifth dot, sixth you leave 7th dot.
Ma'am, one second. First, second, third.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Fourth, fifth. And leave.
Leave 6th one.
Leave 6th one and 7th.
And 7th one.
Also.
Right?
And before this, what we have
Okay,
to
ma'am. We will
write?
try to.
Ma'am, may you repeat
Thank
again?
you, ma'am.
Beta, out of 8 points that are given, out of 7 points that are given, only 6th point you need to cut, rest all you have to write. Am I clear?
Ma'am, I already got it. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 6th and 7th cut.
And 1 point we have to cut.
One,
Ma'am, points of which?
only 2 points we have to cut. 6 and 7.
Ma'am, 6th and 7th.
Then, no, only 6th one you have to cut. 7th you will write.
7th we have to write.
How is troposphere important for us? Already all the points you have given over there. Acha, nahi, sorry.
Ma'am, troposphere set us free.
Ma'am, I am confused.
No, don't be confused.
Daksh.
Don't be confused at all. First,
First, second, third, fourth,
beta,
fifth,
listen. There is a correction.
Ma'am,
E part, first question, page number 119. Opened?
Got it. Yes, ma'am. Open.
Yes, ma'am.
Open.
Above troposphere, there is a paragraph.
Got
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
That whole
Yes,
paragraph you
paragraph.
will write for this answer and the diagram you will draw only.
Ma'am, we have to write these are layers.
This whole paragraph into 3 or 4 points.
And ma'am, the point.
And then the diagram you will draw. Nothing else you will write. Nothing else you will write. Am I clear?
So,
Okay,
ma'am,
okay.
we have to
Okay,
change
ma'am.
the question.
Paragraph.
Only the paragraph
Yes,
you have to write and the diagram you have to draw. Am I clear?
Ma'am, this and this
Yes,
whole paragraph.
ma'am, you're clear.
Yes.
That diagram which Daksh has just now shared on the geography class group, I will also share.
ma'am, please share on the group.
Ma'am,
of
which
A and
paragraph?
Beta, paragraph, the atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature and other properties.
First page.
Page 119,
Fourth paragraph.
right hand side, second
Fourth
paragraph,
paragraph.
full. Second paragraph, full.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Right side, second.
And the diagram. That's it. Answer is complete.
Can I
So,
tell
ma'am, we
them?
have to change the question to
Then
the
question
help of
number
a diagram describing the structure of the atmosphere.
ये आरव बेटा आप ये क्या बदमाशी कर रहे
Ma'am,
हो?
please repeat.
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Repeat what? Answer. Page number 100
Yes, ma'am.
and side second paragraph full in points you have to write. Okay.
Ma'am, so we have to change the question to describe the structure of the atmosphere.
No. Question you will write as it is. No changes in the question. Come to second question. How is the troposphere important for us? For this, all the points except for 6th one. Am I clear? Troposphere, page
Yes,
100.
ma'am, you are clear.
All the points except for.
Yes, ma'am, you're clear.
Fine.
Yes,
Second
ma'am, fine.
Third answer.
Ma'am, fine.
Why is the
Ma'am, please.
thermosphere also called ionosphere? Page 121.
121. Ma'am, got it.
Arshia,
Got it.
Arshia.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, this is a
page
so small
number
definition.
121.
Yes.
The paragraph, the thermosphere, last point, the thermosphere is also called ionosphere because of the presence of ions.
Ma'am, this is so,
We will
ma'am,
not
this is
write
small.
more this much.
Ma'am,
And we will
can
not
we
write
write the
this much.
definition? I know.
Ma'am, we can
Yes.
also
Yes.
write.
Patience is the key to success. Listen. Thermosphere, 4th point, 5th point, and 6th point. All the 3 points you are going to write for this answer. Am I clear?
Wireless
Ma'am,
communication also.
1 second. Fourth,
Once again.
4th, 5th, and 6th.
got it. Ma'am, got it.
Wireless communication paragraph also.
It's okay.
Clear?
Ma'am, clear.
The 5th one is
Ma'am.
wireless communication.
Yes,
About
Amish.
wireless communication. So we have
Yes,
to write
Ma'am,
that also.
can you repeat the answer of second?
Second is given on page 119 and 120. troposphere, all the points except for the sixth one that I told you to cut earlier. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to the F part. Distinguish between the mesosphere and the thermosphere.
Ma'am.
Page number 120 mesosphere, page 121 thermosphere. All the points you will be writing separately.
All the points, ma'am?
Yes, all the points.
Okay, ma'am.
Am
All
I
the
clear?
points, ma'am.
All the points
Okay, ma'am.
you will write. बीच में एक margin draw करके बच्चे difference जैसे बताते हैं वैसे
3,
करेंगे.
4, 5, 6.
Right?
Yeah. Ma'am, take scale and
Draw the margin.
draw
Yes.
the line and then write all the points.
Yes, very
This
good.
is
Ma'am, what is for mesosphere
Mesosphere is
and thermosphere?
they are given there only in the book only it is written. See?
Ma'am, where?
Up.
Beta, page 120. Mesosphere last line right hand side and thermosphere 121 page left hand side.
Yes,
Got
yes.
it? Got
Yes.
it? Very good.
Yes,
Ma'am, may I
got it.
tell the
Now
answer
examine
to Daksh?
Examine the significance of the atmosphere. Now for this significance of the atmosphere, it is given on page 121. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Page 121.
Yes, ma'am.
Components of the atmosphere are useful to us in various ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the dotted.
All the points.
Yes. All the dotted points.
Ma'am, okay, got it.
Have. Page 121.
Ma'am,
Right?
got it.
All the dotted points. Got it?
Ma'am, chapter complete. Question answers.
Everyone?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
ma'am,
repeat
got
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat F1.
Ma'am, mark.
Ma'am, chapter complete.
Yes, all
Ma'am,
have.
please repeat F1.
Yes.
Please.
Then send the diagram which has to be drawn again.
See, any day between this week, any time, any day, I will share the PDF for the flowcharts, right?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Right.
please repeat F1.
Ma'am, can you please send the
Okay,
diagram?
ma'am.
Diagram I will send again. Where to send? You tell me on your class groups.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
said.
ma'am.
Ma'am, you can
Ma'am,
Ma'am, our geography.
Ma'am, geography group.
Okay. Geography group. All the 3 groups are not there, beta.
Ma'am, all the 3 groups.
Ma'am, C section is not there.
Class group.
No.
Ma'am, send on the class group.
So I am sending in the class group. I am sending so that everybody can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, what is the answer of
Ma'am,
F?
please repeat the F1
Prapti
answer.
saying something.
Ma'am, I was the F2.
I have shared the diagrams. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See the meeting
Ma'am, please.
in class meeting is going to end any time. So as of now, 1 to 4 chapters we have completed. Next week we will revise. If we have time, we will revise. Am I clear?
And ma'am, do pull out.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, class, for showing patience, listening. Bye-bye. See you all next week.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you for teaching us.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Have a
Bye,
nice day,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
ma'am. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
ma'am. Bye.
Chalo. God bless you all.
God bless you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, bache. Okay.
Thank you.